we gonna do a haunted trail through here? Hey you guys, today Xander and his friend Mila are using some tools to clear a path through the woods. They want to make a haunted trail for Halloween that people can walk through and they can scare people as they come through it. It sounds pretty fun, doesn't it? So, come along on this adventure as we clear a trail through the woods. Xander's gonna use a chainsaw. We have some little hedge trimmers we're gonna use. It's gonna be a fun time. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, Xander, go. You're so cool. Been doing some good work on this trail. Really? Are you stuck? It's a pretty muddy trail. You gonna back it up? There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh! What are you doing in the woods? Turn your shoes in the way, buddy. I'll turn you around. Let's turn you around. Alright, can you go out? Whoa. You did. Gonna walk. We're gonna walk. Ready?
Yeah! It's actually Xander's.
Cut that branch down. Cut it. It's Xander's. Good job. Careful, watch out.
And we're in the woods right now.
You are. What are you doing in
We
the
are
woods?
chopping down some branches now. We can cut our roof for our mom. So let's go. Mila!
What is that? Look at that stuff growing on there. What is that? Don't put your mouth on that. Bug? Something growing on it.
Oh!
Really? You don't like it?
Yeah!
Guys, we are exploring through the woods. I don't know what's back here, but we're having a good time. Oh, here comes Xander. And Mila. Mila's got her chainsaw.
Yeah.
You cutting stuff up?
Cut down some stuff. We're probably gonna make a Halloween trail.
A Halloween trail?
Yeah.
That would be very cool. You gonna hide and scare people?
If they come in deep in here.
Alright.
We went very deep. Trying to get that Play-Doh off. What is it?
Oh, something growing on there. Did you get it?
I
You
got
got it. Good job.
Xander's going down this very steep hill. That's so steep.
He's so brave. Be careful, Xander. You got a big stick. Oh my gosh, your stick's breaking. You need a hand?
No, I got it.
Alright. Oh, here we go.
Look.
Whoa. It's a steep hill, isn't it? Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, we made it. Look at that big tree. I think it's been hit by lightning or something. It's all black at the bottom. Whoa, careful. Look at this, the creek. Oh, look you guys. Look at that little creek. Water.
See?
Think there's fish in there? You think so? Are you cutting the trail? We got to clear a trail for our Halloween trail. Are we gonna do a haunted trail through here? That's good. You guys keep working. Clear this trail. You're doing such a good job.
I'm cutting these branches down.
You guys are doing such a good job.
These things little
Be
down.
very careful with that. You're doing such a good job.
And I am because I cut this down right now.
With the big clippers. Be careful. Watch your fingers. Good job. Good job, you guys.
So we need to cut this one down. That's pretty easy. If I can even cut them down. So I can cut them down.
Butterfly. All right, you guys, we've done a pretty good job clearing a path through the woods. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And come back next time for more videos. Bye. Good job, Xylo. Xylo, we did a pretty good job making a path through the woods, didn't we? Say hit that like and subscribe. And come back for more videos.
Heavy.
Bye. Is it heavy?
Yeah.